Hey everybody, I just thought I'd do a small video on changing out a four-way flasher on my 1970 Dodge Challenger. This was a video that I wanted to make because I couldn't find anything regarding how to change out the four-way flasher on this vintage car. And so I want you to just follow me here and we'll just go through the quick steps of locating it and then what I found to change it over with. So we're coming into the car now. I'm just going to show you through. My radio's missing and we're just going to, I don't know if you can see that or not, go through there. I'm going to point to it. It's kind of tricky here. My finger here. This is it right here. Let's go closer. So it's a rectangular box and it's right there. And it has its own little holder. And just pull it out of the holder and quickly unplug it. And this is it, right there. Or at least this is what was in my car. So you can find this flasher on the internet. I saw them on eBay. Or you can just go to your local auto parts store and pick one up there, $10 here in Canada. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to replace it with a aftermarket unit. And then this is an example of one of the replacement flashers. It has the same prong as the other one. And yeah, you can find that at your local auto parts store. So I've gone ahead and replaced the four-way flasher module. Just going to turn it on so you can see. Look at that. We've even got some four-way flasher noise. And the four-way flasher is now working again. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.